For digital time change, the watch should be in timekeeping mode. Press adjust button unless the seconds start flashing. Now press mode button to have different settings. First is daylight saving. It's on and off. With set plus button, you can make it on and off. Again, on mode button, you have the hour, then you have the minutes. You can increase or decrease the minutes, hours, seconds by plus, set plus or set minus button. Then you can change the year, date, month, and the day. Once you press the adjust, you will be back. You will be out of the adjust mode. Now, if you just reset the seconds, which you can do by the same pressing the adjust unless the seconds start flashing, and then press the set plus button, which will reset the seconds. It will not only reset the seconds, it will reset the analog time according to the digital time as well. But if you do other changes like date, time, hour, then you have to set analog separately.